Figma stock just tanked almost 9% in a single day. Why? Because Google have just launched a massive AI update to a tool called Stitch. The internet is already screaming Figma killer and saying it a traditional UI designer is dead. But is it actually? Today we are breaking down exactly what Google Stitch is, the insane new vibe design feature, and we are going to build a layout so you can see the truth for yourself. So let's get started. First, go to the website here. You can see there is a Stitch, and here you can see. Now here you can see we have a prompt here, and we can select either app or web. Then here we can select the model we want. Okay, so let's go with the flash for now. And here for creating the design we have to write the prompt here. So before that we have to just click on try now, and then you will be redirected here. Now let's write some prompt. So what I really want is build a modern clean financial service landing page, and it should have a strong hero section, service grid, and a dark theme. Okay, now here we have to select the app or web. We will select web. Then here we have to select model. So we will go with flash. So click here and then click on generate. It will take a little bit time. As you can see, it start perfecting the details and so on. So let me do it fast forward. Look at this, the final design is created, and here you can see, just like we want a service design, here there are some color options, and here is the landing page design. So if I scroll here, you can see it's a landing page, and yeah, they have a hero section, then some precise services, and last the footer part. So we can explain like we want more things, and it will do that part. Okay, did Google just destroy Figma? Absolutely not. Here is the reality. Stitch is a microwave and Figma is a commercial kitchen. Stitch is undefeated for those who is phase 1. If you need to spend speed run 10 different layout ideas or prototype a quick flow for a client, it's unmatched. But if you want a pixel perfect precision, complex logic, and real time team collaboration, Figma is still the undisputed king. Stitch is completely free right now, so you can go and check it out and test it, and let me know in the comment section if you matching the switch. Also, if you are building new heavy AI projects lately, keep hitting those annoying API quota exceed in Antigravity, you can watch my this video. And if you have anything in mind, so you can chat with me. So if you have anything in mind and want to talk, you can just comment it out below, and I will reply as soon as possible. So guys, see you in the next video. Happy coding.